So, good day to everyone. So, for today's video, we'll now be discussing about the mail merge using Microsoft Word. So, I'm currently using the Microsoft Word 2010. But if you have a recent version, much better. So, the first step is you have to construct a letter. So just like my presentation here, I now have a invitation letter. So the next step is, of course, you have to give some space for the mail merge. So just like what I've done here. So let us start creating the mail merge. So insert, not necessary insert, but mailings. Click mailings, start mail merge. So we have different kinds of mail merge here, but we will use the step-by-step mail merge wizard. After clicking, so there will be a tab here on the left side of your screen. So select recipients. So since we don't have existing list, so we will use a new list. So let us click create. So the new address list tab will pop up. So as you can see, there is specific details that are required for you to create the mail merge. So there is title, first name, last name, company name, address line 1, address line 2, city, and etc. So title, so we will put, for example, title, serve, referring to a man. So put the details here, last name, company name, address, address line 2, and the city. let us check the first entry or the first recipient. So after checking, click this button, the new entry. So the first entry is already noted. So let's proceed to the second entry. Same process, you have to type the details first. So as you see as that. So as you can see, we now have two recipients for our mail merge. So after checking, press OK. So let us save it here. So there was this mail merge recipients that will pop up. So make sure to check this before entering the OK button. So after checking, you can just click it. Then press this step 3, then step 4. So we are now on the step 4 of 6 of mail merging. So first, we will insert this address block. So you can choose your own format, but I will choose this one. So as you can see, there is an address block. So give one space, then click greeting line. Press OK. And then let us proceed to step 5. So as you can see, our mail merge is already posted. So this is the recipient 1, recipient 2, and the recipient 3. That is for general. So as you can see, that's how mail merge function. So let us proceed to the step 6. Complete the merge. So our letter is now complete, and we can actually print it or edit again. So we are now done in mail merging. So that concludes our video. So thank you for your listening.